this lesson, we are going to create cart sidebar. Let us start by install a new package from Shadcn. It's scroll area component. In a new terminal, run this command. Use -- legacy peer dependency to install this package. Then go for utils.ts and update to a Slack function. You just need to put this prompt in ChatGPT and get a response. Then paste it in utils.ts where we have to Slack. It's gonna be add this line at the end of to Slack function. It replaces repeated hyphens in middle with single hyphen. Next one is creating the main component for this lesson. It is cart sidebar. Let's create this component in component shared folder, component shared, new file, cart sidebar. Here is the content of this component. What we're gonna do here, it's to create cart sidebar component. In this component, get items, items price, update item, and remove item from use cart store hook, and then inside that render this UI. Create the main div, set width to 36, it's gonna be 9 rem, and overflow y auto. Inside that, create another div. This one is fixed. So when you scroll down, it's gonna be fixed here. It is full width and there is a border on left. Inside that, create another div, make it full width, full height, flex column, justifies, start and items center. Then another div. Inside this, create subtotal and then render items price using product price component and render it as plain price. Then we have this condition. We have this conditional rendering. If items price is greater than free shipping minimum price, display your order qualified for free shipping. Then render a link to redirect user to the cart page and a separator after it. Here is the main part, the scroll area part. What we're gonna do here is to render each item to a div, and in this div we have link to the product image and product price and a select box to change the quantity of this product in the cart. Also, we have trash icon as a button. By clicking on trash icon, we remove that item from the shopping cart. That's it. Let's go for next step. It is updating. It's creating use device type because we're not gonna show sidebar on mobile devices. Let's create this component, this hook in hooks folder. Go to hooks, new file, use device type. Here is the content. What we did is to define device type as state. By default, it's unknown. In use effect, we call handle resize. It's a function that checks width of the window. If it is less than 768, it sets device type to mobile. Otherwise, it's desktop. On window resize, we define event listener for handle resize function. On unmounting this component, we remove this event listener. Next step is creating use hook. Next step is creating use cart sidebar hook. Let's go to hooks folder, new file, use cart sidebar. Here is the code of it. First of all, we define is not in path function. It accepts s as a string and check if a string is not in these path /cart/checkout, etc. Then render the main function, it's use cart sidebar. Inside that, get items and get device type and current path from use path name from next navigation. It returns a Boolean value if items.length is greater than 0 and device type is desktop and we are not in cart page, checkout page, home page, then return true. It means that we're going to show cart sidebar. Otherwise, it returns false to hide cart sidebar. Next step is updating cart button. Go to cart button.tsx. At the beginning, import use cart sidebar. Inside cart button component, use cart sidebar and return the result of this function to is cart sidebar open. And right after this span, check is cart sidebar open. If it is true, render this div. It creates a caret icon to point to the cart sidebar. Next step is creating client provider. Let's create it in components shared folder. Components shared, new file, client providers. Here is the content. It's a higher order component that accepts children as prop. Then we check, then we call use cart sidebar hook and check if it is true, render this div, otherwise render children inside a div. At the end, render toaster. So what we did here, if is cart sidebar open is true, create a div, set the class name to flex and mean height screen. Then inside that, create another div. This one render children, and next to the children, we render cart sidebar. Next step is updating layout and wrapping children inside client provider. Go to app/layout, replace children with this one, and import client provider from component shared client provider. That's it. Let's make sure there is no error. Stop project, npm run build. Okay, no linting error. Let's run the project again and select a product. Awesome. We successfully implemented this. Let's fix the position of caret icon here. Here I just had comma before right. Let's get rid of it and check the result. Awesome. Let's change it to 2. It works. And go to cart. It works. Great. We successfully implemented cart sidebar in this lesson like what we have in Amazon. Let's commit changes and sync changes to deploy project on Vercel. That's it about this lesson. Until next lesson. Bye-bye.